So you've pulled all the meat off rotisserie chicken, and now what? How do you store it so it lasts? How long does it last? And how do you know if it went bad? Let's break it down. When I first pull the chicken, I usually just store it in a glass container and cover it with the lid and place it in the fridge. Another way to store it is in a zip bag, making sure you remove all the air and zip it tight. If you're meal prepping, you can also store your chicken in meal prep containers in 1 to 2 cup portions. That will save you lots of time. According to food safety guidelines, cooked chicken will last in the fridge 3 to 4 days. At that point, you either freeze it or toss it. If you forgot when you stored it, here's what to look for. First, how does it smell? Is something off about it? Now, if you're like my husband, who can't smell anything, move on to number 2, which is give it a look. Is the color still the same? Does it have a grayish tint to it? And number 3, is there a slimy coating the meat? That is a sure telltale sign that the meat is no longer good. Personally, after 2 days, if I know I'm not gonna cook it, I just take it from the fridge and place it in the freezer with the date in the bag, so I know that this is good for another 3 months. Having cooked rotisserie chicken in the fridge is one of the easiest ways to pull off some quick and easy meals. I'll leave some of my favorites for you below. Let me know in the comments what you plan on using your chicken for. See you in this next video.